embarrassing thing that's ever happened to me? I can't really tell you on camera. Like, I'm pretty sure Global can't air my escapades when I was first experimenting with drugs. Some pretty embarrassing things, telling everybody I was a cop whenever I got high. But in comedy, I'd say I did a corporate once in Northern Alberta that was hilarious. When I was first starting out, and I got heckled by one of the patriarchs of the trucking company I was doing it for, and it was the best heckle I've ever had as a performer because it was an astute insight into comedy, because I'm a storytelling comic. And this gentleman was new to Canada, successful businessman, and he just interrupted my show. It's like, I don't care about your stories, just tell me, set that punchline, and it's like just such an astute heckle that it floored me. And I think that was possibly my most embarrassing moment in comedy, because it hit the point right on. I wasn't doing setup and punchlines, I was telling stories, and that's not what they wanted at their trucking company Christmas party.
I know what you're thinking. The video's over and we're still married.
What? We really are? If you want more of the fun, guys, subscribe right here.